So I'm a maintenance technician for an apartment complex, and we have an apartment that seems to be abandoned. This is really creepy. Really creeped me out. So here's the video. Maintenance. Maintenance is entering. No power. Oh, it's been a while. Maintenance! Make yourself known if you're in here. Maintenance department, oh, if you're in here, speak up. Maintenance department. Hello. Hello. Probably the creepiest thing I've ever seen. So it's as if they were in mid-dinner. Yeah, there was dishes in the sink, but it's like they were in mid-dinner and just had to leave and never came back. All their personal items are there. Everything is still there. It's like literally mid-dinner, up go, and never come back. The notice on the door was from 6/1/6/2 of 24, and it's still sitting there. So I don't know. Leave in the comments what you think happened, but it's really weird. Stay safe.